Digos City! Day 1. Slow-mo again. Slow-mo again. Team slow-mo. Team Nota It's. Tu. DDM!
Daddy, you gotta get no selfies. Think back.
Yeah. We are at the city!
Village.
Digos! Shadow.
City of Digos.
Mami B! Nagmukbang!
Here's your
Day! Let me see your toy.
No,
It's a
it's not
book.
It's a book,
Wow.
Daddy. Huwag kang i-notes.
Wow.
You don't know what's the difference between a book and a toy. You're a disgusting daddy being the world.
Ba't walang straw? Bakit?
Lang straw. Pumunta ka doon. Ikaw na naman ang lumabas.
Bye, Mommy B! What an idinota. How about you? What are you doing, DDM?
French fries.
Is it epic? Can you subo me? Uy, nabaitan na naman to. Give me new one, please. Thank you.
Big.
What is that? Is that come on?
No.
Pose. Yeah. Sunset in Digos. 14 kilometers.
Hi, Daddy B.
It autumn.
Hi, Eddie B. Hi, everybody.
Iwag front face.
Hi.
DDM! It's the
Noisy.
province of Sarangani.
Hi. You say hi. Hi, everyone. We're here now sa Malongan.
No, alis na
Going-
nga eh.
Ay, alis na pala. Sorry. Balik-balik ka mo. Daghang salamat.
Andiyan na sila Kuya Army. Ay, baba mo na yung camera
Oh,
mo.
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Welcome to Sarangani.
Sarangani bang malungon?
Ay, oh my God.
What if dito pang malungon?
Correction, guys. Ngayon pa pala kami magmalong.
Malungon.
Ngayon pa ang malongan, guys. Malongan. Yay, guys!
there?
So, update. We're here now sa Jensen, I think.
Wala pa. Ay, 37
Ah,
kilometers.
37 kilometers. Okay. So, eto na po,
Big
guys.
population malungon to.
Ayan. Nakikita nyo na po. Marami na pong mga ilaw.
Hindi pa na malungon, no?
Ayan.
Mura ang mga ano siguro. Nahabol.
Welcome to Jensen!
It's the city of Jensen.
So loud. Sakit in my ears.
Jesus, ako pa ang loud sa ating tatlo ngayon.
Daddy, so loud ka man. Buti pa kami, hindi kami loud ni Eddie.
Welcome to Jensen.
Welcome to Jensen! Vlog update!
Ay, may pulis.
We are here now. To the Jensen. Vlog update!
It's
now
the city.
7:37 and we're here now sa SM City.
Yes.
the boys and girls ay sumasakay sa whale. Ay nako. Yan na po silang dalawa. Ang mag-ama. Driving. Ayan. Hayaan niya lang si Ellie ang mag-drive. Shadow. Shadow yung tama to. Hi! Sige, pose. O, pose. Ang ganyan. Pose. Pose. Yan, pose. Yan na naman. Yan. 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 Ganyan na naman. Ganyan na naman. Ganyan na naman.
What the?
What time
I would. It's time for lunch. First,
Okay. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Chongson Street
Arcade.
Arcade. So, nandito po lahat.
let's
Ang
look.
mga beautiful.
Look, ako na.
No, stop
Me.
talking.
Put it here.
Dito po kami kakain sa Chongson. Iaw.
Mommy, I'm making sound for you to put it. Mommy.
Whoa, what the food? Sinigang tuna, bagay boy, oh shit, and tuna pa nga. Sabi na mga may naglagay na.
Kasi angry na si Ellie.
Oh, Ellie, ang gawin, let us.
Pray ka muna. Come on.
Tara kay mga
Kamay man.
sa ato ng mga may yan. DDM's food review.
Ellie, sabaw ang balik.
Food review.
Sabaw nga.
Ano pala yan? Nota or titik?
Sabaw with fish. Huwag kang OA.
Blow mo na, blow mo na. Blow. Eat. Masyado na mommy, eat ng
Try
food.
ko kung may bone.
Ang
tayo saying?
DDM, how's the food? Nami B. Keeps on eating. Look at that delicious, magnificent shit. Ang gatya. Mami B na naman. What? Summer? DDM. So how's your fan? What time is it? Mommy, what time is it?
Very good. Yummy? Yummy ang food.
Oh, it's so hard to finish everything, my dude. The aftermath, mommy base plate. Holy freaking jeez, boys. Si JDM is poopy na. She keeps on talking because she wants to popo. Disgusting. Hindi na kaya ang beyond my ribs. Tuna pangagan. Or
RIP.
mommy fish.
So good.
Pusit, I can't. Sinigang na pang
The best.
RIP gulay. DDM. Submarine mamaya na poop. Holy freaking days, boys. Yeah. DDM. Guess the bill.
Guess the bill. How much? You tell me how much. Come on. See, it's a vlog. 10 ano? Pesos or dollars?
Katagal. Ay, mami, biggest.
1,000.
Ako kay... How much sa'yo?
$10 or 10 pesos?
$10.
Akin 1, 2.
Ako 1K.
Magkano sa'yo?
Ha?
Magkano sa'yo?
Ha?
Magkano sa'yo? 1K? Akin 1, 2. Let's find out. DDM! Room tour! Room tour with the DDM! So what's your new room? Come on. Come on. Talk about it. So this is the CR. Oh no, the moment of truth, mommy babe. Why is this one, yeah? Uh-oh. Beef vlogs.
Mag-wait ako dyan.
Yeah. Beef vlogs.
Doon
Beef vlogs. Ayan. Beef vlogs, damn it. CR. Ito yung ipamake doon sa kabilang house. Didi, what did you do?
What?
The artist and the art. Holy freaking jeez, boys. Magkano kayang bayaran tomorrow? Dagdag na naman. Day. Bye-bye.